Today we have an awesome 10,000 step challenge. If you've been cooped up at home and you've been kind of not motivated to go outside for a walk, this is an awesome video for you. 10,000 steps every single day. Let's do it. Let's have this challenge, 10K steps a day. We're gonna do this right now. Now, let's get to work. All right, guys, we're gonna just do a nice casual walk. Okay, now we're gonna add a reach. We're gonna go side to side and do a little bit more, a wider step, okay? If you want to make it a little bit more challenging, go into a squat position, okay? If not, this is totally fine too. Side to side. Bring those arms up, get the heart rate up. Nice big steps. You guys are doing great. Okay, next, from this position, we're going to do a crisscross, okay? Crisscross, crisscross, side to side. Twist and punch. Keep breathing. Good, now side to side again. Keep your arms by your side, on your hips, wherever feels comfortable. Next, we're going to do a skater, okay? So you're just going to go down to the side. Foot comes back. Okay, next one is a high knee, okay? Like this. You can have your hands there. You can't bring them up high. This is all you can do. That's totally fine too, okay? Just as high as possible. Nice and safe. Keep breathing, ladies. Let me know in the comments if you're sweating already after the workout. You're doing great. Okay, now side to side. Okay, next we're going to reach your arms up in the air, okay? Love dancing. Where I'm from in Canada, all of the clubs and restaurants, everything's closed. So we're gonna imagine we're having a little dance party here. Anything worth calories? Let's see if it is fun. Okay, good job, ladies. Now side to side again. You can have your arms here, the heart rate up, on your hips. It's totally fine too. Okay, next we're going to take a bit of a deeper lunge side to side, okay? And we're going to duck. Okay, lunge, duck. Big step, duck, okay? Duck. Get nice and low if you can. Imagine there's a stick or a pole that you have to get underneath it, okay? Side to side. Keep breathing. The next one, we're going to do a fast jog, okay? Fast jog. A fast run in the same spot that you're in, okay? Let's go. 3, 2, like this. You can have your hands there. You can't bring them up high. This is all you can do. That's totally fine too, okay? Just as high as possible. Nice and safe. Keep breathing, ladies. Let me know in the comments if you're sweating already after the workout. As you can, ladies. Super fast, super fast. Good. Next one, we're going to reach the arms up to the sky, bring them back down to the opposite side, okay? We'll go one arm first. Shimmy here. You're doing great. Okay, next arm. Ready? Let's go. there. You can't bring them up high. This is all you can do. That's totally fine too, okay? Just as high as possible. Nice and safe. Keep breathing, ladies. Let me know in the comments if you're sweating already after the workout. Okay, next arm. Ready? Let's go. Next one, we're gonna do a double step, okay? So, side steps. Off the cross of your mat, or if you're in your kitchen, you're in your bedroom, living room, basement, outside. Take a couple steps side to side, okay? Good job, ladies. Nice walk. Walk however you want. Either a little sass or strut in there. You got it. Next one, we're gonna add a little booty pop action in there, okay? Little booty pop action. Gonna go like this. Squat up, squat up, squat up.
3, 2, 1.
Now walk. Ooh, I'm getting hot now. All right. Next, we have another skater, okay? Next, we have one more fast jog. Ready? 3, 2, 1.